Hi guys, so this is my second video and the topic is antibiotic resistant harmful pathogens found in Yamuna river. Yamuna river is highly polluted river of India. Its biological oxygen demand is 4 mg per liter and less than 4 mg per liter also in some time. We can clearly see the difference between two rivers, and these are the satellite images that I have got from Google. That Satluj river is very clean if we compare it with Yamuna river. This is the Delhi stretch, Uttar Pradesh Delhi stretch. India spent billions of rupees on this river but didn't get the results yet. This is the bitter truth. We have many action plans but don't know where that money was spent. Several countries, many developed countries, have sewage management, waste treatment plants to fight the march of antibiotic resistant strains of bacteria that could otherwise harm mankind. India needs to revise its focus. WHO, World Health Organization, had already warned in 2017 against certain pathogens that were turning resistant to high-end antibiotics. Now, is it a main issue? Yes. A research paper from IIT Delhi has shown that Yamuna river harbored some of the critical group of multi-drug resistant bacteria. They note that sewage was the main source of their entry into the river. They isolate fecal coliform bacteria in abundance in all the samples. This bacteria only found in the sewage water, so that means all the samples were contaminated with sewage water. They found beta-lactamases enzymes in all the samples that help bacteria to resist many commonly used antibiotics. Rapid proliferation were found because of the horizontal gene transfer. Poor sewage collection and lack of connectivity between drains and sewage treatment plants have worsened the situation. High abundance of resistant bacteria was found near the posh areas because of the urban activities that is going on illegally also. Drains near hospitals and cattle farms also had a high abundance of antibiotic resistant bacteria. Why we have a fear of these pathogens? Because bacteria keeps evolving. Soon we can run out of these chemicals that selectively kill these pathogens. These resistant bacteria can pose a serious threat to the health of the river water, and there is a high possibility of the spread of resistance to humans and animals. Our existing treatment plants work well with conventional organic pollutants like carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, but with changing times and needs, they need an upgrade. They need an upgrade. This is a very important line that government should listen, that they need an upgrade. Mankind must play its cards carefully or there is a chance the bacteria will win the war. The shocking discovery of the proliferation of these bacteria in Yamuna water is a threat that cannot be ignored. So this is the photo that show us that how bacteria are having no effect of antibiotics. So this is the real situation. If we don't stop water pollution, then ready for the situation in which our stomach will face some uncertainties or diseases that nobody wants. So don't do water pollution. This will cause your health in damage. Thank you so much.